Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a photo, remove the background color, adjust the photo, select another shape, change the color of shape, save the photo and shape, change the background color, duplicate the photo, select the color filter, change the color of photo, select the stroke, adjust the color green. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.